Welcome to Neutral Vibes once more. We're there in a whole of town, whole heap of pandemonium, whole heap of nice, right at Warmington head office. Andrew Holness really take the third term. This is what going in a whole harbor. Look on the drone view. Oh my God, man, it's a sea of green. Sea of green, me I tell you, man. Yeah, man, catch everything. Nice, nice, nice.
Wow, Sinatra.
Vibes, whole heap of nice. Yo, car, trailer, everything I make nice. Yeah, man, very chaotic scene. People hang out a car and a foot. Everything hang off a car and sitting there, you see me? One link, Neutral Vibes, you know?
I don't know people from Randata. I don't know everything. Don't act already.
Alright.
Yes, so big up Jamaica walk by. We don't say don't know big, but you care, but you can only I know.
Mad. a good night still. Everybody happy. It's the third term for the Labour Party, you see me? So somebody a rejoice, somebody a ball. Yeah, man. But, as me say, yeah, man. Congrats, man. Big road march. Big road march. Walla have a black off. Right now, me have work a morning. Yeah, man. But we have to go and capture them senior. Serious road march. Serious road march. You see me? Yeah, man. See nice. Yeah, man. Whole heap of pandemonium, whole heap of noise, whole heap of excitement. Yeah, man. It's another win for the Labour Party. Whole heap of vibes, whole heap of noise. Yo, car, trailer, everything I make nice. Yeah, man. Very chaotic.
So Bruce Golding, and I want to invite Mrs. Carla Siaga to just come and acknowledge the moment and take a bow. Mr. Siaga still, well, he must be happy